My name is Vix. Respected teachers, dear parents, and my friends. Today is a very special day for me. I am graduating from Euro Senior. I have learned so many things here. Reading, writing, and numbers, and how to be kind with my friends. I want to thank my teachers to teaching me with love and patience, and the aunties and security staff for taking such good care of us, and my friends for playing and running with me. I am grateful for my parents for helping me every day. I am excited to go to grade 1, but I will not forget Euro Kids Days. Thank you all for celebrating with us. Thank you.